Hey, it's Kelsey, and I'm going to be singing some of Set Fire to the Rain by Adele, and if you like this song and you want to hear the rest of it be sung by me, then comment below, and I hope you like it. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms, without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say, they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned, well, I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.